back to my channel. We have another fun video for you today. And
I mean me and my speech impediment.
Yeah. So I'm joined today with...
My name's Jenna. And I feel so weird.
No, just say it because I'll edit it.
Monica.
No.
Okay. She goes, Monica.
Monica. Alright, and today we're going to be decorating pumpkins, but the twist is we're only using makeup. So we're using body paint, foundations, powder, eyeshadows. That's the only thing we can use. No paint, no nothing. So, what theme did we decide on?
Horror movie characters, right?
Yeah.
Or like horror, like character people. Yeah.
Yeah, so, I have an idea of what I want to do. I don't know about y'all.
I know what I'm gonna do. I'm scared of. It's a last minute choice, so I don't know.
That's always like fun and exciting. I'm doing Countess.
Ooh.
That was fully vomit. Also, the way that we just like don't care.
I think I'm gonna try to do Chucky, but I have not looked at any reference pictures, so.
Good luck.
Alright,
Okay.
let's get started, y'all. Ooh, some people have like carved.
Did you see the fetus I carved into my pumpkin?
It was actually iconic.
Picture right
with
there.
With the lights on, it looked awful, but with the lights off, it looked really good. A full fetus into a pumpkin.
So I definitely made her way too small. Mom, I need your drawing skills energy right now. My mom's a really good artist in drawing.
Oh, not curse on your YouTube channel.
No, this is actually a Christian YouTube channel.
I was like,
I send it
so
to
I
church.
shouldn't be here.
Thank you.
I send it to church.
Oh, I for sure shouldn't be in this.
Your sponsor is Christian Mingle.
Honestly, it's gluten-free singles, so don't worry.
Oh, I like that.
No,
I thought gluten-free singles was like a snacky way. like you know, like the 100 calorie singles.
No, it's actually just even worse. It's a dating site for.
Is that really a thing?
No, I swear to God.
Gluten-free singles?
Gluten-free singles. Honestly,
Wait, is that real?
yes. Should I go on that website and find a significant other?
You heard that shit.
I burped again. It was like kind of vomiting again.
Again?
I think it was like water. Do you ever drink so much water that you burp and it's like liquid?
Yeah. Yes. I call it baby spit up or baby barf.
Baby spit.
Yeah, we call it baby barf. I'm like, oh, did you baby
You
barf
and
right
who?
now?
Who's we?
I have this weird thing where no one remembers who I am, so I don't say hi to anybody because I feel like I'll say hi to them and they won't remember. who I
No,
am.
I think no.
In
Like,
what situation?
if you remember that,
No,
they
I'll
will
see
remember
someone
you.
like, okay, for example, if I like walked into any of the teachers at cinema, like obviously they would remember me. I was, there less than a year ago, but I would convince myself that they never even saw me, so they would just be like, who the fuck is this?
I feel you.
And I also have anxiety about birthdays. Like whenever I wish someone happy birthday, I have to like triple check Facebook because I'm gonna wish someone happy birthday and it's not gonna be the.
You know it's awkward when you miss someone's birthday because it doesn't pop up on Facebook?
Oh, she said I'm full coverage.
Black. Isn't that some good paint?
I do like.
It's called Chameleon.
I love chameleon.
Yo, this is hard.
Yeah, no, this is not easy. This is not like painting on paper or on a face.
The foundation is just like, look what it did when I put powder on it.
Oh, whoa.
I know. Looks like my skin.
Okay, maybe I won't do powder.
One time, one Halloween, I like this is so like irrelevant and random, but I think I was like in high school or something, and it was a full moon, and the moon was like so yellow, and there were these perfect clouds in front of it, and I was just like, wow, this is Halloween. And that's honestly one of my favorite memories.
Wait, that's the whole story?
Yeah, I told you it was irrelevant. I
What?
fucking warned you. Also, one of my favorite Halloween memories is in Jersey. There's this haunted house in Jersey called Bane, and it's like the scariest haunted house in Jersey. And the first thing that they do to you when you go in, well, first when you're in line, you have to, if you don't want to be touched, you have to wear a glow sticker on your neck so that people don't touch you.
That would be me.
And then you go in, and the first thing, well, if you do, like me and the people I went with, we didn't get glow sticks. So the first thing that they did was they separated you from everyone you came with, and then they pushed you through a tunnel you have to get on your hands and knees and crawl through.
Oh my God.
And then you did like half of it by yourself alone,
No.
until you could like find your friends.
Nope.
Yeah, it was terrifying. But when I was in it, I like met up with my cousin, who was one of the people I went with, and we like found each other and we were like, oh my God. So we're running through it, and then this like guy comes out and scares us, and we fall through the wall, and he's like screaming, he's like, holy shit, it's okay. And we were like, we're fine, like thank you so much. But we did break the haunted house.
I don't know. She looks like Mrs. Chucky,
Love that.
but I'm trying to use the eyeshadow as like contour.
This is where I'm at.
Let me see.
No,
That was so impressive.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm this close to giving up.
What? You just started.
I'm having a hard time with my approach.
The application itself, you just have to give up on it. Make sure that everything else is good.
honestly, just give up on your whole life.
Did you hear that? Put that shit on paper if that makes sense.
Me and Monica fostered.
Goodbye. They love us.
I'm shocked on how this pumpkin is coming out.
Okay.
Hey. Would you rather never be able to drink anything but milk, or have to eat an entire eraser every time you eat food?
Eraser.
Eraser. I probably have already eaten an entire
This is
eraser.
very
You
quick.
can't drink anything but milk.
No.
Yeah.
I'm lactose intolerant. I'll be dead.
A full eraser.
I'll eat.
Every time it doesn't matter what you eat. You have to
What?
eat
Like the little pink little.
like a
little-
paper
what is
weight, like
a
a pink eraser. Honestly, depopulate the earth 2020. Stop having kids 2020.
Can we have kids in 2021?
You can have kids when all the kids are out of the foster care system. That's when you can have kids.
Or can I hatch eggs at my apartment?
Okay, so I tried to explain to them, like, you can get them through a website in California. They'll send you eggs, and a farm will come pick them up when they hatch. And they're like, they're gonna be messy. I'm like, they're fucking eggs in an incubator. How can they be messy?
But once they do hatch, what are you gonna do during that time?
Fully, I'm gonna do it because the incubator's $30.
Oh.
It's gonna cost me $36 to hatch 6 eggs. But I also could order.
Do you see that she's the only one excited about
I can order a full-size duck. Forget this, $4.28. And you're gonna expect me not to order a duck?
That is.
You're gonna put it on the internet $4 and expect me not to order it? I did try and sell fish on Facebook Marketplace, and Facebook flagged my post and was like, no way. I saved these fish from a fair because they're like, you know, they have fish at the fair. It's like gross. And so I won 2 of them because I'm like, I'm the winner. And then I got them and I set up this beautiful tank for them and they were so happy. And then I moved and I couldn't take them anymore because I was like, how the fuck am I getting these fish where I need to be? So I gave them back to Petco. I just like brought them to Petco. I called them, I said, will you take my fish? And they were like, yeah. And I said, okay, I'm bringing them right now.
And she can't take a duck to Petco. Also,
I fully tried to wipe something off my arm and missed my hand. Honestly, okay, wait, don't put this in the video, but like, Zuko. Oh my god! I know he's 16, but like he's a cartoon, no one's getting hurt. Like, oh my god. So Aldrich says I look like a drag queen.
I told her that she kind of looks like Jackie Cox. Let me know.
I disagree.
Well, you didn't let me finish what kind of drag queen you look like. We're back. We took a little break while we did the finishing touches. Okay, Jenna, it's your time to reveal what your pumpkin is.
Okay, ready?
All right. You have to show us.
What is
well,
your
even though we can see it. Yours came out good.
Okay, so I just want to take a little second here to say that this was a very last minute decision and a very half-ass attempt. Ready?
Mhm.
1, 2, 3.
Wait, make it my head. Make it my head. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be.
I'm scared of that.
Wait, laugh again.
That's her pumpkin. Who is it?
It's Saw, you.
Well, you gotta let them know.
Okay, they should know.
It's Saw. You didn't already know.
I'm scared to say what mine is.
I am afraid for you to say what
Okay.
yours is as well.
Do you want to go last?
Oh, nah, I go next.
Okay. What is it? Are you gonna say what it is?
I'm ashamed. So I started with the Countess.
I don't think you started. It never got there.
Never got there. So it's now Jennifer Stubbington.
Which is me, by the way.
This is mine. I did Chucky.
Which like looks like really good.
Dang,
Look at I'm angry.
Why?
Because it looks really good.
It looks ugly.
No, I liked it. Hey, I'm Chucky.
I want to be better. I really want to know if you've ever seen Chucky.
I want to know whose impression was that. Was that Chucky or were you
That
talking?
was my creative impression.
It's called artistic creation.
Yeah. Like, I didn't put myself in a box with the voice. I repeat it.
I have this like weird new thing. Whenever I put like something on my hands, I like clap my hands together. So that's new.
Alright, so thank you so much for watching the video. And what else?
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Do y'all want to plug y'all's information?
I have no information.
Okay.
I actually don't exist in this dimension.
I'll plug.
So.
Give myself a little Sabatelli Styles at Sabatelli Styles on Instagram. That's all.
What do you do?
Oh, I'm a makeup artist. Well, I might be embarrassed to say I'm a makeup artist after this.
I mean, doing a person's makeup and doing
But yeah, exactly. This is not.
This is my skin texture, so I've had a great time.
Here.
Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button so you know every time I upload. So you know every time I upload. All right, y'all. Bye.
Bye.